This is Demetria Davis with the JMD School District. Let's talk one-to-one. Our district believes in teamwork. Here are a few of our key team members: Wide Area Network Supervisor, Director of Information Technology, Executive Director of Technology, and a Technology Project Supervisor. Our district consists of 7 elementary schools, 2 middle schools, 1 high school. This makes up for 74,000 students and 489 teachers. Let's talk numbers. It will cost us about $4 million in order for our school to become a one-to-one district, which means that each student would have access to their own Chromebook at school and at home. Chromebooks make up for about 68% of our budget. The infrastructure, Wi-Fi and broadband, about 27%, and the tables and routers, about 4.2%. Here's our why. Our mission is that technology integration in our schools would be a success because we want our students to be 21st century ready. Vision, preparation, not only for standardized testing but for the future, cost-effective resources, and 21st century connectedness. Our goals outlined: infrastructure, 21st century specific devices, and connectedness and interaction. Our expected outcome is that if we can provide updated infrastructure and software, this increases student engagement, makes stronger relationships between community stakeholders, students, teachers, and family, and increases student achievement. Our research. Infrastructure matters because it's a community with a virtual aspect, and we want all of our students to have availability to technology at any time. And research shows that students in a one-to-one district outperform students in more traditional classrooms. Why so specific? It improves skill sets. We want student-centered classrooms, and we want our students to experience 21st century technology. Social usage, community usage, E-rate provides affordable technology access for our schools, and SIPA, which restricts our students from being exposed to offensive content when surfing the net at school, and COPA, which restricts access by minors to harmful material. 21st century skills and ISTE. Our students are empowered learners, innovative, creative, digital citizens that are responsible and make ethical decisions, collaborators nationally and globally, and effective communicators. Educator, IST standards, leaders, collaborators with their peers, designers of their classrooms, and learners. Educational leaders, IST standards, learners, visionaries, and they provide equity because they're a leader. Here's some professional feedback on communication.
Here we are. We're halfway there. It's week 4. Today I'm going to be talking about communication. Communication is key to any successful organization, and an important aspect of communication is public relations. In our educational systems within our school districts, the community and the stakeholders play important roles in what happens in our schools. Some aspects of communication and public relations in action are: there should be specific goals and missions that the Public Relation Board lives by. Identifying the community's needs via external and internal analysis is very important. Objectives and strategies should be clear and supported by research, and ultimately action must take place. Remember, it is important to use various platforms of communication and public relations to ensure that all demographic and socioeconomical statuses, that their needs are met. Here are a few tools. Mass media reinforces attitudes, but it will not help change the attitudes. It's a more traditional way, but it works, especially things like radio, TV, emails, newsletters. Interpersonal meetings Calls, home visits are great for changing attitudes, but in some cases, they are poor in providing information that's needed. PTA meetings, that's a good resource. Social media, as we know, is a big thing that's going on right now. So social media is important as well. Hey, some people use Facebook, some use Twitter. There's so many different platforms that can be used because we want to make sure that information is passed along, and it creates traffic and it creates awareness about what's going on in our schools and communities. But we have to be sure and be careful that distractions are not taking place in the classrooms and amongst our community. So again, we're learning about communication and public relations. It's important and it's essential to any organization. See you next time.
As you can see, communication is an important part of any plan. We hope that this presentation has given you so much information that you would help us, the JMD School District, to become a 1-to-1 ratio school and district. Our students need this. So until next time, talking 1-to-1, we'll see you later, and we hope that you understand why we need to become 1-to-1.